is going to be our civil rights.
And then you select your top 10, your top number. So that is, select your top 5. Select your top 5. When you select a person, let the person come forward. So one person will have to go. So tell the MC and let the MC announce it. Who is
number 5? Thank you very much. You have
number 5. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Third position.
Alright, so the third position or the third model receives an amount of 500 Ghana cedis. Alright, so third place we have model number 85. Elizabeth. Model number 85. Very well. Congratulations to all level 400 cosmetology students. Thank you all.
On behalf of level 400 cosmetology students, we want to tell you that we appreciate you for coming from your far distance and near distance.
School rap, Miss Rao. Miss Rega, Miss Unishra. Unishra, position
Gonna